What is good, people? Once again here with another customization. We're getting right into it. A buddy of mine requested a Air Force One, so customization. So that's what we got here. Some good old clean Air Force Ones. Stay tuned and enjoy.
Independent in our ways, but the fears won't fade from imaginary fears. We had to let it go to understand, to know that the freedom's lost with fear. Just like a hologram, you watch me where I stand. Our history won't let the time go by. I'm gonna live tonight. I'm here to see the lights. I'm tuning in, always looking back. You're the one I can't forget. If I could lose this feeling, can we ever be the same? Now the pain was much too strong and I had to move along. Knew I couldn't heal with tears, and I couldn't let it go. I was afraid to show that the freedom's lost with fear. Just like a hologram, you watch me where I stand.
So, we finished the shoes. That's one. That's two. Hunter AF1 themed. They're looking pretty crisp. Got this guy here. You got this guy on this one. Hunter AF1. Nice crisp all around. They're looking good. I like how they turned out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you next time.